Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will make incredible, super tasty spaghetti with fantastic freshly harvested forest mushrooms, which will be served with cream, dill and king of all cheeses, Parmigiano Reggiano, well known also as a Parmesan cheese. But first, I would like to present a collection of all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Look at these babies. Aren't they beautiful? Sure they are. Amigos, extremely delicious spaghetti with fantastic, amazing, incredible, unbelievable forest mushroom sauce is landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit very much. Alright. This is something unique. So simple ingredients, but high quality ingredients. Forest mushrooms, Parmigiano Reggiano, spaghetti, cream. When you put them together, they make magic. And magic happened on this table. What a dish, super dish. Should be on the menu in heaven or in paradise. Somewhere there. Super food.